Is your backup actually working? Your backup dashboard says it's running, but is it actually working? Let's check in 5 steps. Open your dashboard and check the last backup timestamp. If it's not today, something's broken. Check your storage quota. Full storage silently stops new backups. No warning. The one nobody does, restore a single file. If you can't restore it, your backup is just decoration. Check every device connected. Old laptop still listed but hasn't synced in months? That's a gap. Make sure failure alerts are turned on, email or SMS. You want to know the second a backup fails, not 3 weeks later.